Yan guys, RDL baby face. Yan. Kung gusto niyo mag facial cleanser, ito effectively cleanses the skin, guys. Ito to keep it soft and every effective deep cleanses the skin to achieve a smooth blemish-free complexion for a youthful glow. It removes deep-seated dirt and excess oil to prevent the recurrence of pimples, whiteheads, and blackheads. It also moisturizes your skin with papaya extract to keep it soft, smooth, and supply. Yeah, direction for use: moisten a pieces of cotton with RDL baby face facial cleanser with papaya extract and apply on face and neck until thoroughly cleans. For best result, use twice a day. Yan. Morning, pwedeng sa panggabi bago kayo matulog. Yan. RDL baby face. Guys. Facial cleanser to. Ayan. Guys.